Hi students, thank you for getting registered for the SCEF Read-A-Thon. Great job. We are on our way to having 100% registered. Your next step, now that you're registered, is to come to the SCEF Read-A-Thon page, that's scefkids.org/read 2022. You're going to scroll down on the page to this side where it says how it works and reading log. When I click on reading log, there may be a sign that asks you if you're already registered to log in. I'm logged in already, so I'm going to scroll down on this page to the section where it says Enter Readers. If I click on this drop-down arrow on the right, it expands now so that I can see the reader. And for this student, I'm going to come over here to Reading Log and click on the little book. Once I click on the book, it has today's date and time, and now I can click in the box that says Minutes and add the minutes read and click Add. The next time that you read and want to log your minutes, same thing, just click in the minutes box and then click Add. And just remember to keep returning to this page to log those minutes as you go. You may even want to bookmark this page on your computer so that it's really easy to come back and keep logging those minutes. That's it, quick and easy and simple. Get registered, then log those minutes each day as you read. Be sure to log those minutes on the weekend too. Thanks, everybody.